Prove that the semi-vertical angle of the right circular cone of given volume and the least surface area is cot inverse root 2. When you take a cone, and this is the height of the cone and radius and L slant height. So when you take volume of the cone, 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So here h is equal to, from this you find h is equal to 3v by pi r squared. So h is equal to k by r squared. Consider k is equal to 3v by pi. Now CSA of a cone is pi r L. So we know that L is square root of h squared plus r squared. Instead of h, you take this value k squared by r power 4 plus r squared. So when you take a LCM, pi r into square root of k squared plus r power 6, r power 4 square root is r squared. So cancel, you get pi by r square root of k squared plus r power 6. This is the CSA, curved surface area of the cone. Now when you differentiate ds by dr, u by v method, pi constant you take out. So now here we know the formula, the differential of u by v is v du minus u dv by v squared. Now substitute all this here using this formula here, and we get pi into 2 r power 6 minus k squared by r squared into square root of k squared plus r power 6. When for minimum ds by dr equal to 0, so equate this to be equal to 0, we get 2 r power 6 minus k squared equal to 0. So 2 r power 6 is equal to k squared. So instead of k, substitute the value here. Here k equal to 3v by pi. So when you substitute k is equal to r squared h. So when you substitute these k value here, we get r power 4 h squared. So when you get cancel, 2r squared equal to h squared. So h is equal to root 2 into r. Again find out d squared s by dr squared. So this pi is constant. Again u by v method, when you differentiate, you get that value to be greater than 0 at h is equal to root 2 into r. So CSA, therefore CSA is least when h is equal to root 2 into r. And now we know that from this diagram, cot theta is equal to h by r. So instead of h, substitute root 2 by root 2 into r by r. R and r will get cancelled. So we get here cot theta is equal to h by r, and here cot theta equal to root 2. So theta is equal to cot inverse of root 2. So this is the vertical angle of the cone.